How to select and delete multiple files in Google Drive. So if you want to select and delete multiple files in Google Drive, then first of all, open up your Google Drive. To open your drive, you can open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and you can type on for drive and you'll be logged into your drive. Or you can also go to this Google Apps, which is on the upper right corner, and you can open up your drive from here. And after opening your Google Drive, now if you want to select and delete multiple files in Google Drive, then you have to press the Ctrl and A key, and after pressing the Ctrl A, your all files will be selected at once. And if you want to delete all of this, you can click on trash, which is on the upper corner, and it will be deleted. But if you want to delete it individually, then you have to click on the right corner, which has a 3 dots icon, and then click on remove. And that's it. That's how you remove single file. And if you want to remove the whole, then press the Ctrl A and you can go to trash, which is on the upper corner, and that's it. That's how you delete all of your files from Google Drive. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.